In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up push notifications for JotForm apps. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Apps. Find the app you want to configure, then click Edit. In the app editor, click the Settings tab at the top. From the left-hand menu, select Push Notifications. Turn on the Enable Push Notifications option to activate notifications for your app. Next, enter a notification title. Choose a short, clear title that tells users what the notification is about. Then, type your message in the notification content field. Keep it concise and include the key information you want users to see. When everything is ready, click Send to deliver the push notification to users who have your app installed and have notifications enabled on their devices. That's how to set up push notifications for JotForm apps. Thanks for watching.